Oh my god, I'm so excited because my Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star mini controversy and conspiracy palettes have arrived. I'm gonna get them. Here we go. I might just skip this section because it's a big box and it's not fun to watch me unbox this one. I probably should have said I'm going to do an unboxing. I hate these boxes. Ooh. Oh, bubble wrap. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay, let me get this straight. If you saw my last video, I'm not really a makeup person, but I've been watching the Jeffree and Shane series this year, and I also watched last year's, and I am obsessed with them, like as individuals and their friendship and everything they've done together. And this journey has been so amazing to watch, and it's, excuse the noise outside, it is so beautiful and emotional, and it's just a story of their friendship and like a piece of art they created together. And oh my god, I'm gonna get into makeup now because this is so exciting. Okay, I don't know which one to start with first. Let's start with the mini controversy. This is what it comes in. It's so beautiful, the TV static design. Oh, love it. The knives in the back. Okay. Alright, let's see what it looks like inside. Ooh, whoa, it's trippy. It looks so... Oh my god, I love it. Mini controversy. I love it. And the back's just the same. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Are you ready? I'm gonna do this with you guys. Oh, come on. Oh my god. That's me. Look at that. Oh my god, it is stunning. Oh my god, I didn't realize how big they are. They are so big, like finger size comparison. Oh my god. Look at these. Oh my god. So pretty. Okay, I'm getting way too excited about makeup and I'm not a makeup person. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. Like, look at the blues and the purple. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I just want to use them. I need to get some makeup brushes. Maybe I need to get Jeffree's makeup brush collection. Oh my god, these names. I'm so excited. Okay, and now for the big one. The conspiracy palette. It is so beautiful. Oh my god, it's so weird that I watched the reveal a few days ago and it's here already. What's the date today? Today's the 6th in Australia, so it came out really on the 2nd. 4 days. I was very lucky with this. Ooh. Oh, it feels really nice. Okay, let's get her out. Conspiracy. Oh, it is stunning. This is interesting feeling. I love it. It's just like, look at the detail. Oh my god. It is beautiful. Like, this is such a nice box. Like, when it's empty one day, which it probably won't ever be, I can use it as something. Okay, let's open her up together. Ooh, that's so... Ready? Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Look at these colors. What? I can't believe I saw this come to life over the last few weeks and the other day. Oh, it's stunning. The detail is so nice. Oh, ready? I don't know if I need to do it. So satisfying. Oh my god. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to do like another video where I try to do these and fail. That video I did of Jeffree's makeup tutorial, these colors would have been good. Oh, anyway, I'll try and do another one. I feel like I need to get good brushes to do this palette justice, but it is so stunning. I don't know what my favorite color is. What is your favorite color? I'm not sure if you can read the names, but mine, I don't know. Oh, actually, I really like Just a Theory, that one there. It is stunning. Okay, I was very lucky with getting these. So obviously they sold out really quickly. I think they had 1 million units sold out in half an hour. So I woke up, it was 4 a.m. on Saturday morning, and I had, before I went to bed, I had my card next to me. I had Jeffree's website open and I had Morphe's website open because I heard that's what they were selling it through. And I was refreshing both and they both popped up. And I saw Jeffree's half the merch went on, but not all of it. And I was like, okay, I'll just use Morphe. So I quickly put these two in the cart. Unfortunately, I had to get them separate. I couldn't get them as a bundle deal, which is what I wanted to do on Jeffree's site. And then when I refreshed once more on his site, it just was down. And apparently it was down for hours. So I'm so lucky because once I had checked out and paid for it, everything on the Morphe website was sold out. And I was like, oh, I'm glad I got up at 4 a.m. Oh my god, I'm just so excited. They're so pretty. Look at this boxing though. Like, it's a very Shane & Jeffree. I'm so glad that they did this because the original ones they looked at, they weren't great. And this is just, oh, like it's just perfect and it's very unique. Oh, I just can't wait. What's your favorite on this one? I love blue. I don't know if I'd ever wear it. Well, I'm going to now, but love blue. And I think I'm gonna say Cancelled is probably my favorite. I don't know. What do you guys think? Have you guys used it? Are you like me and you haven't been a makeup person before, but now you are because of Shane & Jeffree and their cute relationship? I don't know. This is like, I don't know if I'll use this a whole lot. Like, no, I will. I have to now that I've got this. But I just wanted to support them because I saw all the hard work that went into it, and like their friendship is just so beautiful, and I just wanted to show support somehow and feel connected to them and the process because I followed it and it was beautiful. And I can't wait for, I'm just so excited, and I want to get more of Shane's merch, but and I also want to get some of Jeffree's merch now, maybe some of his brushes and his highlighter. I don't know. Anyway, that's me. Bye.